Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to keep your assets secure, especially with the rapid advancements in 2025. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Bitrue exchange to your Trezor hardware wallet. This process is simple but crucial for protecting your investments from potential hacks. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Trezor wallet is set up and ready to go. If you haven't already, download the Trezor Suite app on your computer and connect your device. Once that's done, open the app and navigate to the Chainlink section. Here, you'll generate a receive address. That's the key to this whole transfer. Double-check that it's for the correct network, like Ethereum, since Chainlink runs on it. Next, hop over to your Bitrue account. Log in securely, head to your wallet, and select Chainlink from your asset list. Look for the withdrawal option. It's usually under Withdraw or Send. Paste the Trezor wallet address you just copied and enter the amount of link you want to transfer. Remember, always start with a small test amount to avoid any mishaps. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. Check the network fees, as they can vary in 2025 due to network congestion, and ensure the address is correct. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Bitrue. Now, the waiting game begins. Blockchain transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, open your Trezor Suite again and refresh your balance. You should see your Chainlink tokens safely in your wallet. Congrats, you've just boosted your crypto security. In summary, transferring Chainlink to Trezor is a smart move in 2025's evolving crypto world. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and never share your private keys. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.